Hey, so today I'm going to give you one simple and quick tip about SEO if you're a divorce law firm or if you offer divorce law or family law services. And I've talked about this before, but most companies don't really listen and still do it the wrong way. And this is what I mean. So if you want to rank for Austin divorce lawyer, and if you offer family law services in Austin, so now if Austin is your main location where your offices are located at, and family law is your main legal service, you should use your homepage to rank for the combination of those terms. So you see here, Austin divorce lawyer. This is the search phrase, and 1,400 people are searching for this particular phrase. And there are also thousands of more people searching for different variations of the keywords. So for this modifier here, so people are looking for a divorce lawyer. So this is a niche legal industry, and they're looking for that service in Austin. So if this is exactly what you offer, you need to use your homepage to rank for this particular term. It doesn't have to be exactly Austin divorce lawyer, it can also be Austin divorce attorney, or even Austin family lawyer. So it can be Austin divorce lawyer, Austin divorce solicitor. Doesn't matter that much. The main point is that if you offer a niche service in a key location, you have to use those keywords or those modifiers on your homepage so that you would have the highest odds of ranking. And what I mean, I'm going to show you here. Because this is a strength of yours. If you are a niche agency, you have to use you being niche agency in your location as a strength. And how to use it as a strength is like this one here, Austin divorce lawyer. Is one of the most competitive keywords for family law firms or divorce law firms in the United States because Austin is a huge city and has a lot of competition. So you see here, melissawilliams.com. They are ranking in the first organic position. And they are using their homepage here. You see, they're ranking with their homepage. Whereas the next result here is Reddit, and the third result is kirkerdavis.com, and they are ranking with a sub page. And a URL is almost always less powerful in terms of ranking than your homepage is, because your homepage gets all the links. Like if you have links from your partners, from your referrals, from maybe from your web designer who's like really proud of designing the site that they did for you, they will link out to you. They will almost always link to your homepage. It's super rare for almost anybody to link to any other page on your site. That's why your homepage is almost always the most powerful page on your site. Like let's say you sponsor your local football team or like a little kids league, whatever, all those sponsored links, they will also lead to your homepage. If founder or you or like somebody from your company did an interview, did a podcast interview, had present somewhere, like maybe you were in the local news, the point still is, if you are a niche agency, use your homepage to rank. And they are doing exactly that. Melissa Williams, and they have their main keyword here in the title, and they also have it on the homepage as well. And you see here, they are a much less powerful brand in terms of authority, like overall authority. This little two-word abbreviation, domain rating, DR, stands for how strong the domain is, how many backlinks go to it. And this is one of the most important ranking factors on Google. But if you are not niched down, or if you are spreading yourself thin, or if you are like a general law firm offering different services, like you're offering corporate law services, you're offering personal injury law services and divorce law services as well, you will have a much harder time to rank if you're up against a law firm, a smaller law firm that's super niched, super focused. So if you are a smaller law firm, if you're really like you don't need to be smaller, but if you are niched, use that to your advantage and use your homepage and optimize your homepage. Do not have like a melissawilliams.com/family law firm services or family law services, divorce law services. Do not have that. Put your main service and your main location to your homepage, because then you're going to make it super hard for your competitors to beat you. Like Kirker Davis, like if you do offer a lot of services like Kirker Davis here, maybe they do, I'm not sure, I haven't checked them. They would need to spend much more resources to beat you if you are just a niche agency. If they offer tons of different services and they are trying to rank with their subpage, with their URL, like they are doing here, Austin divorce attorney, they need to build so many more links. Like this Melissa here, although they have a smaller site, they still have like 107 referring domains linking to their homepage. It's quite hard to beat that. That's like tens of thousands of dollars, like $30,000 plus worth of backlinks. Of course, depends, but still, like it's tens of thousands of dollars worth of backlinks going to their homepage. Usually it's happened naturally. It's quite hard for anyone else to spend like a couple, like tens of thousands to just build backlinks to this one page to then beat Melissa here. Here's another example from Seattle. Divorce lawyer Seattle. SeattleDivorceService.com is ranking in the first organic position with their homepage again, and their DR is at 35. Seattle is more competitive even. Just the top rankers here have higher authorities. And the second position is McKinleyIrving.com. and they have multiple locations, and they are unable to outrank this company here because the company here is ranking with their homepage, and the homepage is optimized to rank for their main location and their main service, which is Seattle and divorce service. Now, McKinley Irving, like they probably have multiple locations because they have a separate locations folder here on their website, and their Seattle page is in a separate URL, which is making it a lot harder for them to beat the top rankers. So again, the point of the short video here is that if you are a niche law firm, then use it to your advantage. Doesn't matter that you're small, like maybe your revenue is 10 times, 50 times smaller than your top competitors. One unique advantage that you have over others is that if you are niche, you can use it, and you just have to optimize your homepage to rank for your most important keywords, and you will use your homepage as power to outrank all of your bigger competitors. Like Seattle Divorce Services here, they're able to outrank McKinley Irving, who has a much higher DR, and it's really hard to get from 35 to 45. And yeah, they're also beating Super Lawyers here, and also Reddit as well. So also same for this Melissa Williams. With DR16, they're able to beat Reddit, and they're able to beat these much higher DR sites than they are, mainly based on that they are using their homepage. So that's the simple tip. If you have any questions about it, if you need our help to get this figured out, just get in touch with me through the contact information in the video description. Hey, do you own or run marketing for a family law firm in the United States? If you do, I have a simple offer for you. Do you want to know who's currently ranking #1 in your city, how much they are making from ranking #1, and what would you need to do to beat them, to rank #1 yourself? If you press the button down below, I'm going to ask you 3 things: the city you're in, your own domain name, and your email, because I'm going to record a short 5 to 10 minute Loom video talking about who's #1, why they're #1, how much money they're making from being #1, and what do you need to do to beat them. So if you want the video, just press on the button, answer the 3 questions, and I will record it and send it over to you as soon as I can. But because these takes time to record and analyze, I can only do 10. So if you're interested, just add your details here and be sure to be quick. Thank you.